I forgot to add on the previous clip that I did add the little square thing of the chicken bouillon. So my bad about that. So I added it, it's in there. And this one I am going to set to just a regular medium. Because again, I've never used one of these. I mean, it's a pot, right? But I haven't used one this size or with the lid. So I kind of I'm leaving it kind of cracked. Just to see how it cooks, because I think, I don't know if oh yeah, this has a hole in there. So I'm gonna leave it, you know what, I'm gonna have it closed or whatever, because it's not a perfect seal around. And then here's our tea that we were making earlier. It looks like it's boiling. I'm gonna lower it. Actually, let me turn it off. I'll heat it up in a little bit again. Then while this is warming up, we'll start putting things together. Like I said, this is gonna start cooking. We want the legs to be cooked for sure. Once everything is all mixed up, we'll start working with the mole, because I'm gonna use the chicken broth to dilute the mole, because the mole is in a paste.